Good morning. Welcome to Sojourner Vision. This is Russell. It is Friday morning. We are here. We made it. So we've got a shoulder workout this morning, and this is the last week in the power phase and also the last week in our cycle. So last day, actually, this is the last weightlifting day. Tomorrow I'll have a workout, but do the ab burner. But today we have a shoulder workout, and again, it's our last workout of our cycle. And what we've got here is Arnold Press. And those will be 5 sets of 5. We're in the power phase. And then we've got a couple of auxiliaries for 3 sets of 8. We've got the around the worlds, and we've got front raises. And then we've got our band work, internal, external rotations, and then we've got our shoulder stretch. So we got our PT work after our weight workout. Weight workout's pretty mild, as it has been for shoulders, but shoulders are getting better, and we'll see how they perform today on the old Arnold press. I think I ended with the 40 pounders last time. Can't recall if I've done these for sets of 5 or not, but I'm gonna start with the 30s and we will see where we get to. Pretty sure, I hope I get to the 40s. Not sure about the 45s with the Arnold press, but we'll see about the 40s. So we're gonna hit the weight workout, then we'll head out on a walk. It's nice and still this morning compared to yesterday. It was so windy, but I'm feeling pretty good this morning. It's a little chillier, but no wind, so it should be a good walk. Good walk. So anyway, let's hit this workout, do this longevity training, and meet age with grace, folks. Let's do it. Let's hit it. All right, that takes care of Friday's workout, and she's in the books. So Friday's done. We've got Friday on the road since the workout's done. Went well. The Arnold Press, I was able to hoist up 2 sets with the 45 pounders. Oh my goodness, let me tell you. Well, you know, not huge weight, but for me, I struggled with the 20 pounders at one point. I mean, I think I even grabbed the 15s to do shoulder press when my shoulders were at their worst. And I was just going through the motions. I mean, there was nothing that, I mean, I just so much pain, I couldn't even hardly do them. I mean, it was bad. So anyway, I'm just real happy to be able to grab some dumbbells and work out shoulder strength. So it feels good to be able to actually do a workout with the shoulders and not be impeded by the pain. I mean, I wouldn't say it's completely gone. I wouldn't say there's pain. It's just a little bit of impingement and a little bit of pressure, but I held it. I actually considered on my last set grabbing the 50 pounders, but I told myself, I was like, we don't want to go backwards. So I did the last set with the 45s. Pretty sure I could have hoisted up the 50s. That would have been grand. I'd have loved it. But stuck with the 45s for the last 2 sets. So the progression was, started with 30, 35, 40, and then 45s for 2 sets, so that was good. Then of course we had our 2 auxiliaries around the worlds. I actually started with the 10 pounder and did all of them with the 10 pounders, and then the last set, I did 2 sets with the 10s and 1 set with the 12s, which is also a big step for around the worlds. That lateral motion for me has always caused issues, has caused issues for the last 2.5 years. So nice to be able to get through that. Front raises, 20 pounders, stuck with the same thing. Probably won't go up on those in a while. I just recently went up from the 15s to the 20s, so probably won't hit the 25s for quite some time. So, and then of course we had our PT work. That's where it's all at. The band rotation, those felt good. I mean, after I'm done with PT, my shoulders, it just feels good. So, but I tell you what's making the bigger difference as far as PT goes is that stretch. That stretch I'm doing where you're actually giving some positive pressure against the stretch, you know, trying to work and give resistance, not just stretch those old tendons out, but try to regain some strength in those tendons and pull forward on that bar. So I've been doing that for the last 2 weeks. I think even that's making a difference. I hate to keep saying my shoulders are getting better, but at this point, we're in the 90% range somewhere, and probably above 95, and every percent is just making a big difference, that they're getting better. So anyway, we'll let you guys go. Enough talk about my shoulder, but I can't help it. So I'll probably talk about it again next week if they're better again. If they're worse, I'll probably talk about it too. So anyway, we'll let you guys go. You guys have a great Friday. Have a great weekend. I'll be out tomorrow for our very last workout of this cycle. And that'll be the ab burner, and I'm gonna pull it up to 45 seconds tomorrow, so we'll get that done. And then next week I'll be out here. I'll be doing basically active rest day every day, so we'll be doing cardio, stretching, those kind of things. So we'll grab some workouts. I won't touch the weights, but there'll be some cardio and workout. Any weight I touch will be like medicine ball, stuff like that. So we'll do medicine ball, maybe some of the battle ropes and those kind of things. So anyway, let you go. This is getting long. You guys, like I say, have a great weekend. Be safe. Meet age with grace. Get some longevity training in, folks. You guys take care. We'll see you.